have knee pain. We have knee pain. Okay. Now, knee pain can be of two types. Both knee painful and a single knee painful. How shall we divide? How shall we divide? Hello. Let us take an example. When only left knee is painful.
Left is yang.
Huh?
Yang, sir, left means
Left is yang.
Yes, this is yang. True. Very good. Well said.
Wind. Wind. Wind.
Left knee painful. What should we do and how should we divide? Now, if one knee is painful, other knee is not painful, then what we will have to do? We will have to divide these portions, these parts, in such a way that the two knees, they have different status.
Chicken center.
Hello?
Dinner, huh?
Yes, Jagdishwari, you want to say something?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Suppose left knee, or you may take right knee, whichever one you want. Suppose you have left knee painful, and the pain increases when you walk. The pain increases when you walk. Okay? Hello?
yes, sir.
Okay. How should we treat it? There are many thoughts which will come to your mind, and we will select the best one. So let us draw. Let us draw. This is trunk.
So if the problem with this is just in the legs, then can we just do a division of just the legs?
Yes, yes, we can do. We will consider everything. Yes, you are right. You can do that. Let us see. This is a very important kind of classification. This will tell you a lot about regional diagnosis. Many things will come because now you have simple things you have understood. So should not be much of a problem, but yes. If I don't make a head, it will look very bad. Okay, so let us make a head. Okay. Okay. So now left knee painful.
Sir, neck also.
Left. Right. This is left, suppose.
No, neck. I said draw the neck also.
It looks bad, huh? Man, this doesn't look bad. Neck comes with the head. That is what I
Okay.
mean.
We took a division on neck also. That is why.
Okay, you can take it. No problem. Till you have not understood, it becomes difficult to make you understand. Once you understand, once you are in the current, it becomes easy. But when you are trying to swim against the current, it is very difficult.
So you are with us and we will be following you and we'll reach somewhere in between. Don't worry.
Now tell me. So this side is suppose left. Suppose this is left. Suppose this is left. Maybe, or I should write that side. Which one is better? Okay, this is left, suppose. Okay.
Okay.
No harm. Let us do.
That figure is facing us. That's why left.
Okay. Yes, you can imagine like that. This is painful. So now if this is painful, who will try and do it? All of you should. One by one I shall ask. Srilata, first of all, I shall ask you. You are very intelligent. Let us see how you want to draw it. How you want to do it. Joint pain. This is joint pain. Left knee joint pain. So definitely the knee alone has a separate status. That too, the left knee has a separate status. So you have to put it in category separate. Left knee should be having a separate category. How will you do? There are many ways. There are so many ways in which you can do it. So let us see how you can do it.
So, sir, joints means can we consider wind?
Joints. What is joint? Joint किसको बोलेंगे?
Where two bones are joining or
Two bones are joining. Who said it? Srilata?
yes, sir.
So bones are what? So first thing is the system.
Yeah.
Which system is this? Skeleton system.
Skeletal system.
So we must not forget bone. So we should first have bone. Joints means the number one, bone. Okay, bone. Then next, in bone. So bone, there are so many bones. Whole body has bones. So if we go to bone means we can go to kidney, UB. Correct?
Yes.
Right. Next. Number two, what will you do?
Location.
Location. How will you go to location?
The left knee.
Left knee, yes.
So yang.
Whenever you do, you must know that with the rule, the top is yang, bottom is yin, left is back is yang, front is yin, left is yang, right is yin. In that order, we should have all the six energy well placed.
So this will be yang of yin.
Yang of
Yin.
what do you mean by that?
Because bone will be yin, no, sir.
Bone is yang. First, the tissues are yang and the visceras are yin. Visceras means all solid and so we don't have to treat the organ kidney. We are interested in treating the knee. Knee has a complex structure. It has ligaments, it has synovial membrane, it has muscles, it has blood vessels, it has lymphatic vessels, it has so many things. We want to treat that knee only. So what we should do, you are very correct that this is part and parcel. They are joints are where the bones are connected. So it is part of bone. Now connection joints in the bone. joints in the way bone is which energy? You have well said. What you said? Joints are, you said it. Wind. Right?
Yes,
Isn't it
sir.
so? So
Yes,
what
sir.
we can do? We can go to the wind point. So now because this is yang is there. So wind. So we will go to all joints. The wind, all joints are wind, isn't it? If we go simply to the wind of kidney or wind of UB, then all joints will be treated. But we are not interested in treating all joints. We are interested in treating only the knee. What will you do? When we have gone to all the joints, then what we can do? We can we do it or not? Can we do it?
Yes, sir.
How?
UB wind said
You
it.
can assign different status to all the joints, no, sir?
Yes, very good. So how many joints do you have? Large joints in limbs, 3 joints in hand, 3 joints in legs here, 3 joints in legs here, 3 joints in hand here. What we can do? Hands, we don't have any problem. Hands, we don't have any problem. So what we can do?
So the 6, what we can do is left joints one status, right joints different, and hands can be the same status.
You can do that. You can vertically, you can divide this body into left half and right half. You can do that. Yes, you're right. Or otherwise, what you can do, you can take upper half and lower half. You can do that also.
Sir, what if we just do the legs? Because only the legs are affected, the rest is all right.
The rest is all right.
So can we just assign energies only
Yes,
to the legs?
both things are possible. You can divide. Let us do both. Let us do both. This was Ramana, na? Who
No, sir,
suggested?
Sagri.
Sagri, okay. So let us first divide as Sri Lata tells us. Let us say we divide left and right. So we have 6 joints here. So we will consider only left side and we will treat on the left side only. Right? So this will be hotness. Right? The topmost. This joint will be what? Hot. This joint will be heat. This joint will be wind. And this joint will be, what joint this will be? You can say humidity.
Dryness and then cold.
The dryness and then coldness. This is dryness. How shall we reach now? So what we have done, we have gone to kidney UB. Which meridian we should take?
UB only we should take.
We should take UB. Yes, you are right. What we should do? UB meridian.
We have to rent, no?
But because bones are yin of yang, so the yin of UB is what? Front shoe.
Front shoe.
Rent. So this is the first point. Lijara ji, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Dr. Acharya, how do you feel?
Yes, sir.
Dr. Acharya,
Yes, sir.
So far, so good.
Very good.
Okay, so CV3, that means we are now coming, because bones are very yin. Out of the lot of the 5 or 6 layers of all the tissues, kidney
Anita,
belongs to yin.
ఈ మనిషిని ఇది సాధారణ బిజినెస్ కమ్యూనిటీ అలా ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్ కమ్యూనిటీయా?
Who is this?
That's why I wanted his background. అసలయా?
Hello, please mute your audio.
Sir?
Deepa. Oh, this is Deepa. Okay. Okay. So CV3 rent. After renting CV3, you can go to kidney meridian. You can go to kidney meridian. So which point you will go to?
Dryness
Yes.
point, sir?
Can we use kidney dryness spiral?
Very good. But what point first we have to go to, which joints we have to go? We have just gone to bone. We have just gone to bone. In bone, we have to go to joints. So we have to first go to joints are wind. So we have to go to joints are what? Wind. So we have to go to K1. K1 rent. Okay. But then because if we do K1 rent, then all joints are taken care of. But we have to treat only left side, so we can treat this also. But the better would be that we go up to till we have gone in the joints. We should remain in the yang. And then we should enter the front shoe point, whichever. Right? So what we can do here, in this way, we will go to all the joints. So if we want to treat only left side, then we are going only K1 only right side. Let us see this and then I shall give you all other options also. So K1 rent. That means we have gone to all these 6 joints. All these 6 joints. Okay. Then we go to where? K1 is connected to which meridian? K1 is connected to which meridian? Liver meridian.
Meridian.
Liver meridian. So we will go to liver meridian. And then in joints, this is dryness. What is this? So dryness, which point is dryness? So dryness point. Dryness point, that is liver 4.
Liver 4.
Right. Then what we should do? Now the treatment comes. Now you will have to see this knee is what variety of pain is this? What variety of pain is this? Because now you are, once you have reached the location, then you have to select energy. Even in energy, what you have to see, whether first thing is whether it is excess or deficiency. You know, when you walk, you have pain. When you walk,
excess.
huh?
So excess.
Excess. Okay, so this is excess. Now you will have to decide whether yang is excess or yin is excess. Whether yang is excess or yin is excess. How will you decide it? You have to further examine it. If the temperature of the knee looking from the back of the hand, if it is warm, it is yang excess. If the legs are opening fully, it is yang excess. Right? But if legs are strictured, but the knee is not opening fully, what is it then?
In excess.
Yin excess. Then it is yin excess. So you have to decide whether it is yang excess or yin excess. You may find If
One
it is,
question,
huh?
Sagri, one question.
Yes, please ask.
So by opening fully, do you mean if the person is able to stretch the leg up?
Yes, that
Just
not
sitting?
up, not from the hip joint. It is a
No,
question of
knees. I'm talking about the knees.
knees. Yes, if the knees are
Right?
having strictures, it
What
is
does that
not.
mean, sir? I don't understand.
It's kind of a frozen shoulder. Do you know?
Yes.
Something like that.
Oh, thank you, sir.
If that is the case, then yin excess, and the temperature of the knee will not be higher than in that case. In case of a stricture, it will not be red. It will not be swollen. If it is swollen, if it is reddish, if the temperature is higher, these three things. Remember, because there are 6 stages of diseases, right? So accumulation, then swelling and reddish, all these are symptoms of yang, right? Stricture may it's not so. If you press the knee, it will not be painful, but he will not be able to open it. That is yin excess. But if it is walking and then painful, that means it is yang excess. What is excess? Most probably, but you have to examine the knee. What is excess? Yang excess. What is excess? Yang excess. Right? So what will you do? You will go to which meridian you will go? After renting dryness, which meridian you will go? Because you are on the yin side. So you will go to lungs meridian. You will go to lungs meridian. What will you do? What will you do? Yang is, because it is localized in a very small area. It is localized and it is very small area. So you will have to see if the pain increases only by walking, or if the pain increases just by touch also. There are certain condition in the knee that even little bit of shaking, touch, that also gives pain. If the touch is also giving pain, that is hotness. If the walking is giving pain, that is heat. And it can be wind also. Right? If you are putting weight on it, and then only it is, otherwise you can manage if you can limp, it is not that much painful. Then that means earth is also problem. So if it is yang excess, what will you do? You will go to the lungs meridian, sedate yang. What should be your intention? Sedate yang. So sedate heat. Heat and hotness are proportional, directly proportional. If heat is more, hotness will be more. Sedate heat. What point is this? LU?
10.
Would you like to say, because if you do not know BG meridian, this is what you can do. But if you know BG meridian, then walking is a real movement. That is chi. That is the real movement. That is the real see. That is what is the function. That is the real movement. So real movement means you have to go to chi. So which meridian you will take?
The heat spiral on lung.
LU10 is spiral.
Yeah, that's the heat spiral.
If you know the BG meridian. If you do not know the BG meridian, sedate LU10, tone LU5. Jagdishwari, can you follow? If you do not know the BG meridian, what will you do? Sedate LU10 and tone sedate LU10 and tone LU5. Then what will you else you will do? LU9 also, because with heat you must take humidity. Subjugation method. Shall I write it, Jagdishwari, for you? Full protocol?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Kindly revise.
Sedate LU10. What else you can do? Tone cold. What is the cold point? LU5.
LU5.
Then what else you can do? Who will sedate the yang of LU5? Pushpa is not able to join. What is the problem? What else you
Sorry,
get?
sir. Some
LU9. What will you do? Sedate. And then controller, that is, you should go to pericardium. What will you do in pericardium? Vijay, what will you do? Pericardium.
P8 sedate.
Heat sedate. Yes, very good. Well said. So P8, you have to sedate. Jagdishwari, this is your protocol. If you do not know BG meridian. But if you know BG meridian, what should you do? Knowing BG meridian, what will you do? Srilata. So this is again 4, not 5. Fourth will be those who do not know BG meridian. Jagdishwari probably doesn't know, and Deepa doesn't know. If you know BG meridian, what you can do?
Lung 10 spiral.
Lung 10 spiral. Why you have taken spiral?
Because it is it's tissue and
Tissue and actual movement. Actual movement, either the ligaments or the synovial fluid or something like, because either it is something related to maybe circulatory system. Yang excess may be that. Some injury, something like that. Circulatory system. Okay. If it is not warm, if it is not red, and if kind of water kind of a swelling is there, then this is yin. Then that is yin excess. So I shall ask you what should we do in the yin excess also. But first you tell me what will you do here? Yang sedation simply. So what will you do? In this, what will you do?
sedate again the heat point, K5.
Now K5 you should correct it to K4. All over the charts, every chart, all the books, you should convert K5 into K4. Though K5 will also give you the result, no doubt, because both of them are yang. So sedate, which point? Heat point is what? K4. Tone?
SP1, cold point.
Tone SP1. You are very correct. SP1. And then sedate. What is humidity?
H4.
H4. Very good. Good. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Humidity. And then you go to which meridian? P8 SPM. Sedate. Which point? Heat point. What is the heat point on P8 meridian?
SP3.
No.
SP4.
SP4. And let me tell you, for left knee, SP4 is a master point. If you care to see my Panchatattva Siddhant, you will find it there. Now suppose the knee joint, the same knee, left knee joint, has a different condition. It is not hot, it is not reddish, it is a normal temperature or maybe a little cold, a little less than the body temperature. And there is a swelling where it appears that some water has got collected. What will you do?
So yin excess.
Yin excess, yes. Water collected around knee. What should we do? Same, we should go to CV3 rent, K1 rent, liver 4 rent, everything we will go in the same way. Then what we can do? We are going in the same way. And then we come to lungs meridian. Now what we will do?
We have to tone the cold.
Tone the cold.
Yin sedate.
Sedate cold.
LU5 sedate, sir.
Because it is reflection.
LU5
Sorry,
sedate.
it is in excess.
No,
No, so
you see, he has pain. It is not a stricture, but he has pain and he has this water deposit. Water deposit. So yin has to be sedated. What has to be sedated?
yin has to be said. Correct.
Yin. Yin has to be sedated. Maximum yin is cold. The maximum that you can do is cold sedation. The maximum that you can do is cold sedation. It is very difficult for him to walk. Activity has nearly stopped. Whatever. So what will you do? Either you sedate cold, or if you find that no, it has to do something with the lymphatic system. If it has been, so it can be two things. If the lymphatic system is also not working, that means the knee is so painful that he is unable to stand and walk. There are so many deposits. Maybe osteophytes have deposited or something like that. That also is possible. In that case, what we should, if there is some deposit, we will go to opposite flow. If there is some deposit, if the patient has come with reports and they say that osteophytes or etc., then you should go to the opposite flow. Okay. Which opposite flow you will go? Because, and if there is no opposite flow, if it is only simply yin excess, what will you do? Which meridian will you select? You have to go to LU. Which meridian you will select? If you want to sedate cold, you have to go to LU5 spiral. And if you want to select dryness, you have to go to LU8 spiral. If there is some problem related to bone, if the doctors have said that knee replacement has been recommended, in that case you should go to cold. Are you listening, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So depending on the severity, so we will take LU5, that is maximum. LU5, which spiral? Spiral. And what will you do? Cold,
Sedate.
sedate. And then rest you know. If the cold is sedated, then what has to be done?
Heat tone.
Heat tone, anti-subjugation, because cold is yin. So what we will do? We will take anti-subjugation. Okay, right? What is that? K1. So K1 was rented. Now we will go to do it in the spiral meridian. You know how to apply the spiral meridian. So what we will do? Sedate cold. What is that cold?
SP5.
LU5 spiral. The cold is what? K1.
No, sir. SP5.
LU5 spiral. Yes. SP5. Sedate SP5. SP5. Okay. Sedate SP5. Then what? Tone.
K1.
K1 is heat. So K1. K1. What else we can do? Who will anti-subjugate K1? In treatment, there are three things. Okay. First thing you should take meridian. First thing you should take. Which meridian anti-subjugates the kidney meridian? The kidney meridian is anti-subjugated by heart meridian. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And wind is anti-subjugated by humidity. So what we should do? We should go to
The humidity.
heart meridian, humidity point. What we should do? Because K1 has to be tonified, therefore H7 has to be
Sedated.
Sedated. No, sorry. Not H7 is not like that. We have to go to which meridian? This is coldness, this is heat, and heat is anti-subjugated by dryness. Sorry, not H7. What is dryness point?
T7.
Huh?
T7.
P7. So anti-subjugation of heat. And then you can go to P5, no, P3, P3 spiral. That is control. P3 spiral, what will you do?
H4 sedate.
That is which point?
Cold point.
Cold point. 4 sedate. So this is what you can do. Is it clear? Now let us take what Sagri was telling, or who was Ramana was telling, that only legs we treat. Hello? Who
Yes.
was interested?
Sagari, I was talking about that.
Sagri. Yes. So if this is done, you can take a snapshot here, and we will do the other way. That also is possible, very much possible. Okay. Shall we do it? Shall we remove it?
Sir,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
in this, how to know that it is a wood type pain?
Wood type pain will be the pain. If it is fixed pain in the knee, it is very rare situation that we will have wood variety of pain. That means in some position you will find sometimes it is pain and sometimes जिसको बोलते हैं ना कि kind of sprain kind of thing. चलते अचानक while walking, suddenly you have pain, too much of pain, and then after some time it is again all right. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Suddenly you are walking.
Yes, sir.
Suddenly there is, oh, what has happened? नस पे नस चढ़ गई बोलते हैं उसको.
जी.
कचक गया. I don't know the English of it.
Sir, can we say intermittent pain?
So that is wind. In that case, you have to sedate wind.
G.
Got it?
And one more thing, sir. How to know it is a humidity type of pain, sir?
Humidity, you will find the fluidity kind of fluid thing, kind of heaviness, swelling. Swelling can be of two types, no? One swelling can be inflammation, hot, red, etc. And one will be cold instead of hot. And heaviness, there is swelling of mota ho gaya, but there is no temperature rise, there is no red. Many ladies you will find it. Many ladies you will find it.
Sir.
Right?
Sir.
Okay?
G.
Done? Now what Sagri is saying, let us do that. Let us do that. Let us do that. Yes, Sagri, what you wanted to do was that you wanted a line to be drawn in this way. Simple, only legs. Am I right? This is what you are saying. The leg mein problem hai, you take only leg. That is what you want to say, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us take only leg. What we can do is we join the legs together. These 2 feet we join. The 2 feet we join. Now this is left side. So all yang thing will come here. So first we should reach the leg. How will you reach the leg? How shall we reach the leg? Just now we had seen what? That head is hotness. Head is hotness. Shall I write it or you remember it? You remember it? Last we had seen it. This is hot. Okay. Then neck is what?
Heat.
Heat.
Heat. Heat.
Right. Then hands are what? Hands are
Wind.
wind. Okay. Then
Above the diaphragm, humid. Below the diaphragm,
you can
right.
draw. Generally, what I prefer is draw the line from diaphragm or maybe navel.
Level.
My understanding has changed a little bit. If we do tan balancing, we will know. But anyway, two halves. Diaphragm. Okay, take it diaphragm. So this will be
Humidity.
humidity and this will be dryness and the legs will be coldness. Okay. So we will go to bone. So we will go first to UB. Right, and bones are yin. So therefore we will, what shall we do? Rent CV3 so that we go to yin. But how shall we do that? The system is bone. The system is bone. So the first what we should do, we should go to the system. Second, what we can do, so then after CV, what we can do, rent CV, go to kidney meridian. Then go to kidney meridian. What next? How shall we go to location? In kidney meridian,
Left.
we will go to
Left.
cold,
Left.
both legs. First you go to the legs because we have to take 6 energies, 3 joints on one leg, 3 joints on the other leg. So 6, we have to take 6 because one knee is only painful. The status of that knee is different than the status of the knee of the other leg. Isn't it? So go to leg. How will you go? Kidney meridian. What will you do? Rent K10. Sagari. Is
Yes,
it
sir.
if it is not okay, I shall repeat. I shall try to explain again. You see, if we want to take, we are concerned with legs only, then first we go to leg. First we go to leg. So first system, the bones, and in bones, the bones of the leg. Then we go to the bones of the leg. So K10 is leading us to the bones of the leg. Then in that bone also we want to go to the joints. So we will go from K10, where we will go? We will remain in the kidney meridian. And joints are wind. So we will go to K1. So we will rent K1. K1 rent. So we have gone to the 6 joints of the leg. If we didn't go, if we don't rent K10, then the legs are not there. We go through K10 to K1. That is K10 and then K1. Then we are going to the joints of the legs only. When will you do this? When the leg pain is because of external problem. You have fallen down, you have met with an injury, you have met with an accident, etc., etc. Then if there is a pain in left knee, then this will work. Why I am saying this? Can anyone tell me?
Sir, can you repeat once?
This method that you go to K10 and then go to K1, that means you are going to the legs first. You are segregating the leg from the trunk, isn't it so?
Yes, yes.
So if there can be two kinds of problems, the knee can be painful because of some internal golmal in your Zangfu organ or system or meridian or blood vessels or limb or this or that, etc. In that case, you cannot segregate the trunk from the knee. Subhash, are you following it? What I'm saying?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
because the problem is coming from
So it's
inside.
like
That's why we
separation,
cannot segregate.
separation. Sir,
No.
sir, accent is like separation. So that thing you are applying, sir.
No. You see,
No.
there are two kinds of problems. Problem of the left knee pain can arise because of two causes: internal cause or external cause. Internal cause may involve circulatory system, may involve lymphatic system, may involve say dryness because if the synovial membrane has been damaged, etc. So that means all this is from within. From within, who is nourishing? Who is making the knee structure? को nourishment कौन दे रहा? The body part, that organs in our trunk. So we cannot consider the knee as a separate entity from the trunk. Therefore, we will have to have such a diversification, such categorization where trunk is involved. You got my point? But
Sir,
suppose you
और
have,
एक बार repeat करिए, sir.
you see,
This statement.
knee pain can come because of some imbalance in some of the internal systems. Maybe circulatory system, maybe lymphatic system, maybe water drainage system. All those organs who are responsible for all it are in the trunk. Therefore, we will not separate legs and we will treat like we had done. There is yet another method. We will discuss that also. Make sure that you reach the right type of categorization. Leg में problem है, leg में करेंगे. No, leg is not separate. Leg is part and parcel of your body. So the pain, but suppose you have fallen down somewhere or you have met with an accident or someone has hit you with a scooter or motorcycle or something like that and you have got injured, you have got pain. In that case, or you have got a sprain or whatever. In that case, what you can do? In that case, you separate leg because that is not connected to the organs in the trunk. Are you getting it, Sagri?
Yes, sir. Now I've got it.
Dr.
So
Acharya?
if it's an internal problem,
Then you cannot do it. Then you
the
should.
body,
Then you
the
should
whole
not do
body.
it. Then
Only
you should.
if it's an injury or somebody has taken a fall or had an accident, then you can separate.
Where it is not internal, it is external thing.
Yes, I got it, sir.
Then you can separate the legs. Dr. Acharya?
Sir, very good method.
So when to take what? That I cannot tell you everything. But by telling you these small examples, I am trying to induce the kind of thinking that I have.
These are the principles of thinking.
This is how I think, and therefore I am sharing with you. I will share only what I know.
Yeah. Good method, sir.
If there is, because if the knee problem can be because of internal things and because of external things. Okay. Okay. Is it okay now, Sagri?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Jagriti Shah, are you able to understand? Audio is not working. Jagriti's audio. Okay. Jagrati is there or not? She has left. Someone has left. Who has left? I don't know. Anyway, forget it. Whosoever has left. So now K1 rent means you have gone to all the joints of the legs. Now you have to give the 3 yang energies on the left side and 3 yang energies on the right side. How will you give? Because this is a circulatory cycle, so this will start from wind. Because this is a circulatory cycle, this is not vertical. So this, the 2 feet are joined together, right? So this feet is coming here and this feet is coming here, both are joined here. So this will be, this joint will be wind.
Wind.
This will be heat. And this will be, which joint is most yang? Ankle joint is most yang. This hotness. This ankle,
Humidity, dryness.
humidity. Knee joint will be dryness. And then this hip joint will be what? Cold. So you have got 6 energies now. So what will you do? K1 rent. Then you will go to which meridian you will go? Liver meridian. Right? Correct? So we will go to liver meridian. And in liver meridian, where shall we go? We will go to heat point.
Point.
So what is that point? Liver 2. So we will rent it. Why we say that left knee is generally connected to, left knee problems are most of the time are connected to circulatory system, because most of the time we arrive at heat point, whether we go vertical or we go separately, most of the time. So liver to rent, and then where shall we go? We will go to heart meridian. We'll go to heart meridian. Now, you see, if bone is not involved, because in injuries, generally what happens? Bone is not involved. What happens? Ligament tears. Ligament tear ho jata hai. So in that case, if the ligament tear happens, then what we should do? What we should do? What is the system? Then it is not the bone system. It is not the skeleton system.
Muscular.
Muscular system. Ligaments are responsibility of wood, liver. So here if we come liver to rent, and then we go to heart spine. And because this is only yang, so we will go to vertical meridian will be the best. It's not nothing to do with movement. It is the injury, isn't it so? Right? So we will go to heart meridian. Sedate what? Sedate. If yang axis is there, heat. Yin is generally not excess unless this injury has been neglected for a long time. Then this yang condition becomes yin, and the disease gets to some organs in the trunk. So then in that case, again, we will have to take trunk with it, and we will have to go in the other way. But because this is a recent injury, so sedate heat and tone cold. And then sedate humidity. Got it? Sagari,
Yes, sir.
you got it now?
Yes, sir.
Which meridian is this? This is vertical meridian. This is vertical meridian.
Sir, one question. If it is not injury, do we have to use the same points? If it is not injury or
What is it?
if it is not any injury, do we have to use the same points for the both?
No,
the
if it is
legs?
not injury, then what can be the cause? External cause can be what?
No, sir. I'm asking about internal cause. Internal.
In internal, this will not give you as good a result as the other one will give you result. Why? Because there we have taken leg connected to the trunk, the inside organs and other systems. You are Ramana? Who is asking?
Yes, I am Ramana, sir.
Ramana. You understand one thing. You see, knee pain can be because of spleen deficiency. Knee pain can be because of lungs problem. Knee pain can be because of heart problem. Knee pain can be because of kidney problems. Knee pain can be for many reasons. All the fine. It can be a kidney pattern, lungs pattern, liver pattern. It can be any pattern. So first you have to ensure whether it is an pain because of some internal problem. If internal problem is there, if from within something wrong has gone and therefore this has happened, then we should not leave the trunk separate. We must connect the one we had taken earlier, where we had taken the trunk also. And if suppose there is, so two things. So what we can do, we can take, we can also take, suppose there is a problem on this side of the hand. So we can take this axis. We can take this axis also. Right? So what will this become? This will become hotness. This will become heat. This will become wind. This will become humidity. This will become dryness, and this will become. And then you can treat. So the 3 points will be treated here on this side, and 3 points will be treated here on this side of the same meridian. Right?
Is it for both? Is it for both the legs, sir? This method applies for the both the
this
legs?
method.
That is from hand to leg, right?
Hand to leg is that when there is no pain, only when you move a little bit faster and you move, and fast movement there is pain, then in that case you should take this diagonal. 3 energies this side and 3 energies this side. So still it will come dryness. If this is dryness sedate, what should be tonified? Wind should be tonified. Whichever meridian, the dryness point should be taken on left, the wind point should be taken on right.
If it is, how do you use?
Why I tell you? Now I tell you. This is the last thing I'm going to tell you today. Now when we are having pain, only after when we walk very fast, right? That means walking is giving. So when we walk, when our left leg walks, it goes in the front. Which hand goes to front?
Right.
Right hand goes front. That means the right hand and left leg, they should connect, and in between, because this is an internal problem, so the trunk should also be included. Are you getting it? This
Yes,
probably is
Yes,
getting
sir.
a little. All of you are very senior students, and I hope you will understand. And if you have not understood, you should ask. You can ask it tomorrow.
Yes,
And if
sir.
you can ask me right now, you can ask me right now. I shall give you some time.
So when
Yes, Lijara ji.
we are taking this as a cross system.
When will you take this cross section? Three energies in this hand and 3 energies in this leg. Earlier, what we had done, we had taken only one side. We had taken only one side. So one side meridian we had treated. Now we will treat Both sides, same meridian this side, same meridian this side.
My point is, sir, we are not considering the CV and GV.
No. CV we are considering CV3. CV3 we are taking so that we can go to K2.
Yes.
That is a permanent thing. वो तो आएगा ही. Any bone problem CV3 will come. Any bone problem CV3, you should start with CV3. Any problem of bone. Today we have discussed many subtle things. Many subtle
Sir, in
things.
rheumatoid arthritis also.
This is not, I'm not talking of rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is something from within. Something you can't leave trunk. And all joints have to be treated. Rheumatoid arthritis, it is not one joint which is affected. All joints are affected. Isn't it so?
Okay.
Jagdishwari.
Sir.
Oh, you can't take it. It's only knee pain we are talking. पहले knee pain तो कर लो. First you do the knee pain. This also can be very complicated and difficult to solve because there are three methods. Isn't it so? We have taken this method also.
Sir, in both cases, when it is internal or external, that is, we are taking CV3 start.
Yes. We are going first to the system. System is a skeleton system. Isn't it? If it is only ligament tear, then shall we go to CV3?
No, sir.
We will go to GB. Come to the front shoe point GB24. Go to liver. If it is a chronic problem. And if it is not a chronic problem, then what we can do? We will remain in the GB meridian. Why? Because muscles and ligaments are yang. They are not yin. So we will treat in the GB meridian. Are you following it, sir? Bijara ji?
Yes, sir.
GB, what is the point, sir? GB?
You see, ligaments, when I said, suppose it is not knee pain, it is suppose ligament tear, right? If it is ligament tear, what we should do? Subhas?
You have to go to GB, sir?
Yes, we have to go to GB. Ligament is wood. Ligament goes to which element? It is related to liver, gallbladder. Ligament is related to liver gallbladder. So we will first thing is identify the system. So we will go to liver, gallbladder. Now this is tissue, not an organ. We are not going to treat neither gallbladder nor liver. Liver doesn't have a problem or gallbladder doesn't have a problem. What we have problem is what? Problem is in the ligament. So we go to GB. And if it is acute, if it is only for a few days that he has been suffering, you don't have to go to liver. It is not a case of generation problem. Because if it is a ligament tear also, you will find patients who are suffering for 6 months. Am I right, Subhas?
I'm there, sir. 2 years.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Years.
In that case, you should go to liver, not gallbladder will not help you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Who said 2 years? Srilata.
Same left knee ligament tear.
So what will you do? You will go to gallbladder, come to the front shoe point GB24. Am I right? Front shoe point? GB24.
Yes, sir.
And then go to the liver meridian. And then do like that.
Super, sir. I think I have to attend your class at least 2 more times to really understand. But it's really nice. Very, very nice.
Sir, as you said, from right hand to left leg covers the internal organs also. So in the same
internal
way,
organs, and it is only while you are walking you get pain, and that too not small walking. When you walk a lot for 5-10 minutes, you have already walked without pain, then pain starts coming. You should connect the contralateral side hand with the leg.
No, if the pain is very severe that they cannot.
Severe, if
Wow.
it is very severe and if it is fixed pain, that is yin.
Sir.
I have told you all five varieties of pain.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very severe pain cannot come only. Severe pain also can come after walking
is-
5-10 minutes. Then the pain starts. Otherwise, there was no pain. Then you have to take three energies you should take on one side and 3 energies you should take on the other side.
Like right to left and left to right, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Then you have to take 12 points.
Not 12 points. Why? On left hand side, lungs meridian 3 points. That is yin points on the left hand side, yang points on the right hand side. Finished.
Okay.
Huh. Both lungs meridian on right side and left side, they are interconnected.
Okay.
Also, the lung on one side is connected to large intestine on other side. That is also there. Yes.
That's what I was asking, sir. For
Yes.
both the legs, we can use only right to left.
Both legs.
I'm asking about both the legs, sir.
No,
Pain
both
in
legs we have
both
not
the legs.
discussed. We have not discussed both legs. We have discussed only one side knee pain. Tomorrow we can discuss. We will see. Because today it's night time. It's about 7. I have to fix another meeting now.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. And if you have any questions, you can come on WhatsApp and you can ask me on WhatsApp also. You can phone also. No problem. Don't hesitate.
Okay, okay, sir.
Who has left the meeting? There's someone who has left the meeting already. Who? Srilata is there, Ramana is there, Deepa is there, Subhash is there, Jagdishri is there, Jagrati is there, Pushpa is there, Sagari is there, Suresh, Kutti. Who has left the meeting?
Aparna is not there, sir.
Oh, Aparna is not there and there is one more, no? One more person. Jagrati, are you there? Jagrati? Jagrati is there, yes. Okay, so shall I call it a day?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you very much, sir.
Good evening.
Good night, sir.
Thank you.
Good night. Yes, you are right. Good night.
चलिए सब, good night,
Night.
namaskar.